So this channel is made for you guys, and I actually put on my Instagram yesterday, hey, tell me some videos that you want to see. And I was just scrolling through, and then I see one person says how to get a bigger. I'm like, what the hell did I just read? And then I thought, no, we are not gonna avoid this. We are not gonna say, forget it, good joke. No, because a lot of you guys are guys. Maybe a few females will watch the channel, but I thought, wait, guys want to get lean, yes, that's what I talk about on my channel. They want to build muscle, that's what I talk about on my channel, but they also want to know how to increase it. And I thought, you know what, I'm actually going to make a video once, and I actually saw a recommended video from someone, and that guy was Johnny Sins or something, and I was like, you know what, I'll make a video as well. So before the video starts, make sure to give this video a like. I know it's a bit cringy, but hey, you know what? Who cares? This is Ranguman. Like, we do this on the channel. Like, you guys want to know the answer? Hey, I'm here to actually make a video on it because this channel is for you guys. So make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to check out RG Clothing, my official clothing brand, Rise Above. And this topic, I'm going to rise above and actually make a video talking about it. It actually means any objective, any goals in life that you want to accomplish, rise above. Make sure to check it out. RG Clothing, link in the bio. And of course, if you guys want to get shredded in 90 days, make sure to drop me an email, rangumanonline@gmail.com, and let's get you on the 90-day shredding plan. You're going to be receiving 3 workout programs, 3 diet plans for every single month, and by the end of the 90 days, you are going to be shredded. But this video is about how to increase it, so hey, let's begin this video. So I made a video asking girls, does size matter? And I'm going to show you a couple of the responses right now.
What's the perfect what?
What's the perfect size? Does size matter?
Oh!
It's how you work it.
Yeah, it's more about how you move.
Oh, you know what I mean? Alright, cool. What's your Instagram? Does size matter?
Excuse me, but
No.
yes.
Does size doesn't matter. Like, you know, size.
Oh yeah. Well, it does. Yeah.
So as you can see, size does actually matter. And now the question that you all want to know is, how do you actually increase it? Now, this is something that a lot of people actually take advantage of, believe it or not. Because people, number one, they will say, okay, cool, to increase muscle size, you got to take this. And a lot of people have actually now kind of stopped believing that whole thing. And you know, they know, like, because of so much information on the internet, they know that, look, this is how you gotta build muscle. You know, you can't take no magic pills unless you're doing like other things. This is how you build muscle, train, this is the diet, done. I am actually really glad and I'm happy as well. But people still believe that they can actually grow it by taking like pills. That's number one. I actually wrote it down because it was on like my recommended, and this is what they suggested. Okay, number one is pills. What the hell? And they are like crazy prices, and people actually buy it because I saw the reviews and people are like, what the hell, I bought it and I don't see no difference. People are buying pills to grow it. Oh my goodness, yeah. That's another one in fitness as well. People will try and sell pills in order to burn fat. Call it so-called fat burners. Now they are just caffeine. You cannot take pills in order to grow it. Like, the second one now is oils. People believe that if you put oil on it, you are gonna increase the size. Like, what the hell? Another one, people are selling this at a ridiculously high price, and people are actually buying it, and then they're writing the reviews like, oh my god, this is an absolute joke. Of course it is a joke. You think that putting oil on it is gonna make it bigger? Like, let's now move on to the third one. The third one is now the diet. Now the diet is important to build muscle, it's important to lose fat, yes. I saw on YouTube someone said that by eating watermelon is gonna help increase the size. I'm not gonna lie, watermelon does taste good and I actually love watermelon, but that is an absolute joke. And on that video it says by eating this particular diet you are gonna increase the size. Oh my god. So they are the things that I want you to stop believing, okay? Stop it. Literally, I hope this video actually gets views. I know how cringy this video is, but I really do hope, because it's the actual truth. Unless you go down the road of doing like some crazy surgery or something, I'm guessing that is the only way. But now, how do you actually make it look bigger? Okay, cool, let's make the video even more cringier than it already is. Number one, you can actually trim down there if you're someone that says, hey, you know what? I want to trim it down there. That'll actually make it look a little bit bigger. I mean, I trim like my armpits, I'm not gonna lie, like I hate having hair there. And I'm actually cool with that because at least that information is not saying the lie and saying, oh, this pill, that is gonna work. So that's number one, trim it down there, like keep it clean, okay? Keep it clean down there. That's number one that you can try. And another one is you can actually wear boxers, which you can like make it look a little bit bigger. That's what they said as well, and I just thought I'd tell you all. And again, I'm absolutely cool with the information because I know people want to increase the size. At least it's giving them the right information. So there are a couple of ways. I really wanted to get this off my chest. This particular person asked a question and I'm cool with it. Like, I make videos for you guys. This channel is for you guys. So I really do hope this is now something that you all know the answer to and is off my chest. And as cringy as this video is, no problem, because this channel is for you guys and I'm here to share my knowledge. Well, yeah, it is kind of my knowledge. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure to check out RG Clothing, my official clothing line. We're gonna rise above. We're gonna rise above any objective in life. So make sure to check it out. Link in the bio. And of course, if you guys want to get shredded in 90 days and a diet plan which is gonna help you lose body fat, not a diet plan which is gonna increase the of it, okay? So the diet to lose fat and build muscle is very important. I don't really think the diet to increase the is gonna make it any more bigger. So any other videos that you want to see, I'll make it, because hey, this channel is for you guys and I'm here to entertain you, inform you, motivate you. Anything that you want to see, leave a comment section below and I shall see you all in the next video. Peace. That was so cringy, but no problem. Like, yeah, I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna upload this video.